got a great deal on some summer's eve cleansing products. Now these are usually $3.99 for the wipes, and so we're gonna buy one and get one 50% off. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna buy one for $4 and the second one's gonna be $2, so you're getting both of them for $6. On my spreadsheet I put just $3 for each because they're $6 together, or $3 each. So buy one get one 50% off, so they're gonna be $3 each, $6. And then you're going to use these dollar coupons that we got back at the 926 Smart Source. And so that's going to take $2 off of that $6, making them $4. And then when you buy two, you'll get $3 back in extra care bucks. So $3 in extra care bucks plus two of these coupons is $5. So it's going to be just $1 for 2 boxes of Summer's Eve cleansing cloths, or just 50 cents each using that coupon and those extra care bucks. Alright, so you know we got to get that paparazzi deal. I'm kind of excited about this this right here. I haven't gotten any of these. I'm going to pick up a couple of those. It's really cool. So we're going to buy 2 of these at $5. When you buy 2 of the paparazzi products, it's only $5. And we're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks, making these just $1 for both, or 50 cents each. So I'm going to be working on getting my gift baskets ready for Christmas. Alright guys, we got a total freebie here if your store has the 2 for $7.98. Now my store only has 1 of these, and it's just this one, and I'm not picking that up, of course. So what we're going to do, if they do have any of the buy 2, only pay $7.98, what you're going to do is just pick it up 2. You're not going to use any paper coupons at all. The CVS app has a total freebie on there, so when you buy 2 on there, clip that coupon for $7.98 and get this Colgate toothpaste for absolutely free. Like I said, I will have to come back later in the week, and hopefully they will have some more from them out everywhere. But that's okay. We got plenty of toothpaste at the house. Alright, this is not a crazy deal, nothing special about these Pampers Swallowers, but I do need them. I'm making diaper cake centerpieces for a baby shower coming up soon. And so I'm going to be picking up these Pampers Swallowers. They're $22 when you buy 2 packs, or $11 each. There's a $3 off coupon on the app, making these $19 after the coupon, and then you're getting back a $5 extra care buck whenever you spend $20, making that just $14, or $7 per bag. So you're saving $4 per bag on these Pampers Swallowers. So I will take this deal, especially since I need these diapers. So pick some up today. If you have some good CRTs in your app, check it out. You may have something better than me. Alright, so this is just in time. I needed some blush. So this Maybelline Fit Me blush is $6.29. We're going to pick up 2 of these for our deal today, which brings our total to $12.58, I believe. Now this coupon came out, I think, at the 1017 papers, the 1017, I believe Smart Source, but 1017 paper. This is a $2 coupon. It should attach. If it doesn't, I'm gonna try something else. So I'm gonna use 2 of these for both of those coupons. I'll also have a $2 coupon on the app if you don't have those coupons, so we shall see. And so that's $4 in coupons. And then we have a $3 store coupon on Maybelline products. And then on top of the $4 coupons, a $3 store coupons, we're also going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. Let me show you that sign right there. So you'll get $5 in extra care bucks, and it says there, blush. $5 extra care bucks. So with the $4 in coupons, $3 Maybelline coupon, the CRT on the app, and the $5 extra care bucks, it's going to bring our total to 58 cents, or 29 cents per blush. So 29 cents. So we're getting this just 29 cents right there. So $6 off each one. That's pretty amazing. These are just in time because I need these wipes. These Garnier Skin Active are $6.79. What we're going to use is this $2 coupon. I'm so sorry, I do not know the date of the coupon. I'll put it in the description box. So we're going to use 2 of these coupons. That's going to bring $4 off at the register. So let's do some math. So $6.79 is going to make them $13.58. We're going to use these $4 coupons, and then also on top of that, we're also going to be getting back $5 in extra care bucks after our purchase, making these $4.58 together, or $2, I think, in 29 cents, $2.29 each on the Garnier wipes. So I'm going to pick up both of those and getting a really great deal. So we're getting 2 of them for cheaper than the price of 1 with the coupons. In addition to that, I also see this is on sale. This Garnier black peel off mask is 2 for $5. I never have used this and I want to try it. It says, you know, skin types, clog pores, and it is a skin active. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use another one. I'm going to use two of these coupons to get this total down to $1. So we're going to be getting these for 50 cents each. So if you see this in your store, it's not a clearance item, so you are able to use coupons. So we're going to use 2 of these skin active coupons, because this coupon states any skin active product, and this is a skin active product. Now, I do not think the extra care bucks are going to come off on this as well. We shall see. I doubt it, because it says select Garnier's facial care, and this is probably not part of it. So we're going to get 2 of these, $5, use 2 of these coupons, taking $4 off, making this just $1 or 50 cents each. All right, guys, you know I'm not going to buy anything without buying something for my treasure box for my students. So these paparazzis, they smell so good. My girls are going to love these. This is the green tea one, 29 cents. And this one is the ocean one, 29 cents for that too. They had some more, but they're out of that one. So anyways, picking these up for my students, 29 cents each. They were $1.99, so pretty amazing deal. And my girlies would love this. They've also got some that are not so smelly, but I don't know about all that ethanol in there. It's a little stinky. So I'm going to try these out and see if they like them. Pick them up for them today. We got a really amazing deal. This is probably my deal of the day, because razors, you know, are so expensive. So we're picking up 3 of these Skintimate razors at $9.59. There is a deal this week on any of the Chic Skintimate razors. If you spend $25, you'll get $10 back, and I'm going to show it to you because there's not a thing over here. But it's right here. You spend $25 on these Chic Edge Skintimate or Bulldog products, you get $10 back. So that's a huge extra care buck back. And so what we're going to do is pick up 3 of these at $9.59 to get to that $25 threshold. When we do that, it's going to be $28.77. We're going to use 3 of these $4 coupons as a high value coupon. So that's $12 in coupons when we use 3 of these. And then we're also going to get back $10 in extra care bucks. Now, I don't have any CRTs on my app, but you may, to bring your total down even further. So after coupons and extra care bucks, it's going to make these $6.77. So that's a pretty amazing deal. It's about $2.25 each or so, 26 cents each, $2.25, 26 cents each. Going from all the way down from $9.59 to $2.25 is pretty amazing. So pick yours up and let me know if you score. All right, praisers and savers, I have made it back home, and all of this right here was a total of $129.95, and I didn't even spend like $5. So I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to show you guys my receipt. So I did 3 transactions. I try to break my transactions up into what's going to give me the most money in the first transaction. So let me pull out some of my receipts here, a whole bunch of them over here. All right. So my first transaction, I had 100% savings. It was $36.75. So that is super duper amazing. Very excited about that. My total was $0. That was my receipt where I was able to get the the Summer's Eve cloths, and then I also got all 3 of the razors on that receipt. I did have my Care Pass, so if you are not part of the Care Pass program, please make sure you sign up for that, because it's giving you pretty much, I paid $5 for that Care Pass, and I'm getting $10 in rewards. So that's a really, really great deal. So yep, that worked out really well. Then my next receipt is my diaper receipt, and this is going to be right here, 98% savings. So I saved $40.22, and my total was $1.01. So that was pretty amazing. Now on this receipt, this is where I got the Pampers, and I also got the Garnier Skin Active makeup wipe removers. On this one, let's see if there was anything that I wanted to take. Oh, actually on that first receipt, I got a $2 off 12 printed off for your next purchase. So I was able to use that as well, and I was expecting that. And then I had some Beauty Club extra care bucks from a previous transaction that I used. So that was really exciting. And then I had a 2% in extra care bucks that were like those little, you know, change extra care bucks that you get on your receipt. So that was $1. So both packs of Pampers and the makeup wipes was only $1. And then in my very last receipt, that wasn't too bad either. This one was my bigger one. I had a savings of 92%, saved $47.76, and I spent $4.21 on that one. This one I didn't have much on because I had I had a lot of items on this, but I didn't have much of the deals from the CRTs. We were able to get that Garnier black peel-off mask. Like, it was, you know, on sale for the 2 for the $5, and I was able to use that $4 off in coupons. And then also the Paparazzi fingernail polish, and then they had a ton of those Paparazzi 29-cent hand sanitizers. So that was great. And then I also had the Maybelline Blush on there, included with the manufacturer coupons that came off just fine, no beeps whatsoever. I also had that $3 off select Maybelline products, and then I had some of these the CVS manufacturer coupon is actually going to be extra care bucks. So that's what that was. So that was a total of $4.21 for all that. And so, of course, the total with that, the $1 and the $4.21 added up to be $4.22 for everything. So I paid $5.22 out of pocket. And then I also have some extra care bucks. So I paid $4.22 out of pocket, but I have $9 in extra care bucks to use on my next transaction. So that's really exciting that I'll have those for next time. And I'll also get back some Beauty Club bucks because of the makeup wipes and for the charcoal mask and the fingernail polish. Oh, the makeup too. So I'll get a good number of Beauty Club bucks on this. But anyways, all right, guys, the printable breakdown is in the description box. Please check it out. All right, I'll see you guys next time. We'll be heading to Publix on Wednesday. Bye.